Okay, vintage outboard motor fans, here's part 2 of the Tale of Two Motors, the 18 horsepower Emerald and the 3 horsepower Johnson. In part 1, we redid the magnetos, got them all tested, got good spark. In this episode, part 2, we're going to rebuild the carburetors, take them outside, put them on the motors, and then we're going to start digging into the gear cases and to get the gear cases all ready and put on. And then we'll be ready to run the motors. The Tale of Two Motors. If everybody's ready, here we go. All right, so we have rebuilt the magnetos and carburetors for my motor and JB's motor, the 3 horsepower and the 18 horsepower. So now we're going to take them outside and we're going to install them on each of our motors, and then we're going to pull the gear cases off and we're going to pressure test, change the impellers, and replace the gear oil and stab them back on, and we're going to fire them up. All right, so if everybody's ready, here we go. All right, we're out here on the lake. We're going to put the carb on first because it's easier. Then we'll put the mag, the flywheel, and everything on. Here we go. All right, so okay, so we're outside. Put the carbs and the magnetos on. Got the rewind starter. Got my gas tank ready to go. JB's got his carb on, his ignition magneto on, his rewind starter on. We're all ready to run them except for the gear cases. So I'm going to take my gear case off. JB's got his off already. We're going to pressure test. If they pass the pressure test, we're going to change the gear oil, and then we're going to change the impellers in both of them, get them back on. Then we're ready for the final run. We'll see if we can do it. JB leaves Saturday, and it's Thursday. So we got this afternoon and tomorrow to make sure that he gets his motor running before he goes back to Atlanta. All right? So it's going good. We'll see how the next gear case goes. Okay, so we're gear case testing, and we found on the 3 horsepower, I got it all the way up to 13 pounds, and it's holding. And the gear oil down there looked good coming out. We're going to say that one's good. But look at the 18 horsepower. Watch how this one looks. Okay, we're out here on John's motor. I got JB trying to pump the air in it. Watch what happens when he pumps the air in it. Go, JB. I would say the shift rod seal is bad on this one. So you got to take the gear case completely apart. So mine passed the test, JB's didn't. Oh, JB, I'm so sorry. You're going to have to cancel your plane flight. No, we're going to take that gear case apart, change that shift rod and the impeller, and then pressure test it. Mine, we just have to change the impeller and pressure test it again. So we'll be doing that, then we're ready for the test run. What a beautiful day out on the lake. Well, we got the gear case on the 18 all put back together and ready to put on outside. So both gear cases have been repaired, tested, impeller changed, all in it, everything. Let's take them outside and run them tomorrow. That's the end of part 2. Stay tuned for part 3. We'll see if JB can get his 18 horsepower running and make his flight out to Atlanta. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. See you next time. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson & Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.